Good morning, children. How are you? Some students, only 4 members, they wrote the exam. Uh, Already we completed sets topic and polynomials also we completed. I kept tests on both sets and polynomials. Yesterday you wrote about the polynomials. Some children they performed well, only some children they didn't write the exam at least. That is very bad. At least they tried well. Somewhat small mistakes they did. No problem. They can cover. Once again you see the watch the videos and cover your mistakes. Now today we are going to start a new chapter, that is quadratic equation. You have as fifth chapter, that is your fifth chapter. See here, what is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means, see here, a quadratic equation in the variable x, if the variable is x, is an equation of the form, that form should be ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. See, this is the rule for a quadratic equation, that form should be ax square plus bx plus c, and a comma b comma c are real numbers. Real numbers means maybe it may be fractions or any whatever it may be. Those are all we call it as whole number, natural number or integers or like that. Those are real numbers and a should not be equal to, this a should not be equal to 0. That is the rule. See, we have some, just have a look on these examples. 3x square plus 4x plus 3000 or any constant number, and 10x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. X minus x square plus 200 is equals to 0. Especially if you want to identify whether it is a quadratic equation or not, this is the rule. The general formula of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where the degree is, this is very important point in this. If the degree is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. See here, the degree is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. If the degree is 2, that means highest. When we take the degree, when that equation has the highest power, here the highest power is 2, here the highest power is 2, here the highest power is 2. That's why we call it as a quadratic equation. See, if you take one example, you understood, no? That should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c and the degree should be 2. Then we can say that it is a quadratic equation. Equation means if it's equals to 0, we call it as quadratic equation. Now, see here, x minus 2 whole square. Just one small example. X minus 2 whole square is equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. See, if you observe this one, before doing any simplification, just by observing that, you will tell that here the degree is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. You should not conclude like this. It is not a quadratic equation. If they give like this, you have to simplify it. See, this is in the form of which identity? A minus b whole square. In this identity it is. So how to write that one? A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this way we can write, no? So write this one, x square minus 2 into x. X into, next b means 2. 2ab plus b means again 2 square is equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. As it is I wrote. This one, x square minus 2 to 4x plus 4. If you bring here minus x square minus 5x minus 6 is equals to 0. So plus x square minus x square gets cancelled. minus 4x minus 9x minus 9x plus 4 minus 6. Different symbols. Here same symbols. So add 4 plus 5 9. Before big number minus is there. So I kept minus 9x. Plus 4 minus 6 means different symbols. So subtract. 6 minus 4 2. Before big number minus is there. So put minus is equal to 0. So if you take minus 9x is equal to plus 2. Otherwise like this only you put. This is the equation. Now what is the degree here? What is the degree here? Here the degree is 1. Here the degree is 1 now. So what is actually quadratic equation means what? If the degree is 2, then only we can say that it is a quadratic equation. By seeing this equation, you should not conclude that it is a quadratic equation. By simplifying, after simplification, what you will get? At last what you get, final answer, for that you have to see that it is a linear equation, it is not a quadratic. If the degree is 1, we call it as linear equation. If the degree is 2, then only we can say that it is a quadratic equation in one variable. See, this is not a quadratic equation, this is not a quadratic equation. Which is quadratic equation? 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. Here the degree is 2. So we can say that it is a quadratic equation. In this way we have to conclude like that. Next, see, we taught up to now. What is the basic fundamental formula for this one? Basic equation. Basic fundamental equation for this quadratic equation. What is that one? See, if alpha and beta are the factors or zeros of that particular polynomial, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. This is the fundamental formula for that particular equation, quadratic equation. Okay. Now we'll see if a quadratic equation can also be solved by the method of completing the square. For example, by taking the two squares, what are the identities? Two identities we used to solve this quadratic equation. Quadratic means square, no? So we use to solve a quadratic equation. You write as it is notes also. Okay? You write this one, this basic fundamental equation. Previous that before starting the video, I wrote something on the board. No, that one you write. After that, this. Next, a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation can also be solved by the method of by the method of completing the square. Method of completing the square. Completing the square. See here, what are the two identities we use here? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here minus means you get minus here. Here plus means you get plus. These two identities you have to remember. Then we'll see the remaining in the next class. Okay. Thank you.